Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Just as we're getting used to 70-degree temperatures, big changes on the way. Showers and storms midday and then sharply cooler into the weekend. Today, 76 degrees. This time last year, 16 degrees, and we were in the deep freeze. You may remember that, but it is distant memory now. So let's go ahead and take a look first off what's going on. Here's the next weather maker. It's rolling out of the Rockies, is up by New Mexico in the upper parts of the atmosphere. Surface low pressure right by the Texas Panhandle, and tonight producing snows across the higher elevations, then showers and storms farther east. And look at this. You have winter weather advisories, winter storm watches, and winter storm warnings, and we have the threat of severe weather about to bust out, so there's probably going to be a severe thunderstorm watch box for portions of Oklahoma and Texas. We already have severe thunderstorm warnings going for this action here in Texas. And notice this white box right here, that is a blowing dust warning. So you get the storms, the strong winds, and then you got dust feeding behind them as well. So normally we never see that here around Louisiana, but we are seeing scattered showers tonight and a little bit more activity than anticipated as another weak disturbances come on in, producing showers that are moving from the south to the north at a pretty good pace following the wind. So they're moving at about 30-35 miles an hour. These showers heaviest in Acadia Parish, right along and north of I-10, and we'll come on in a little bit closer and we show you that shower activity just near the Crowley area between Crowley and Rain, and then farther to the north, some shower activity, Church Point back through Highway 367, 13, and over toward the Fry area just north and west of Maxey and east of Iota. So some nice showers out there. Even in Lafayette Parish, we're picking up on some light rain just west of the Doppler radar as we get into Scott. Deuce on some light sprinkles as well. Ridge dry for right now, but I got to raise the rain chance to about 30% for 30% coverage of our area, at least over the next several hours. Overnight tonight, it stays breezy and mild. Temperatures holding in the upper 60s overnight tonight. Then tomorrow we get into the mid 70s, but we'll see showers and some thunderstorms developing. But again, strongest dynamics and instability is going to be well to the north of us, but we have pretty impressive upper level wind dynamics in the 50, 60, 70 mile an hour range as you go 70, say anywhere between 2 and say 5,000 feet up. So we got to watch any storms that may tap into those stronger winds, and we are going to see some strong and gusty winds. We'll get to that in just a bit, but greatest risk of severe weather off to our north and west. Showers and storms begin to wind down the latter part of the afternoon. Front will lag behind, then breezy and colder as we head into Friday morning. I don't think we're going to get down into the lower 30s, but mid to upper 30s, and wind chills in the upper 20s, certainly a possibility come Friday morning. Here's the severe weather outlook going into tomorrow per the Storm Prediction Center. An enhanced risk of storms that could produce damaging winds and isolated tornadoes well to our north and east, but nonetheless we'll have to be on the lookout for some storms that could produce damaging winds, especially the extreme northern portions of Acadiana, mainly St. Landry, Evangeline parishes on northward. So we'll watch that tomorrow. Kind of a day that we'll have to keep an eye on. Don't expect much rain, half an inch of rain or less more than likely. Tomorrow the big story will be the winds on top of the chance of the showers and storms. Look at these winds. Overnight tonight, they stay quite breezy. They pick up midday, die down a little bit after the front, and then pick back up as the colder air pours in. Notice some of the wind gusts here, 30 to 40 miles an hour during the midday hours. So that could knock out some power outages, or knock out some power and have some sporadic power outages in spots. Again, this is a model that we continue to evaluate, but it gives us a good idea. You know who you are when the wind blows and the power goes out. So some folks may see that tomorrow with wind gusts in the 40-mile-per-hour range. 67 the low tonight, so much milder than what it has been. Tomorrow we'll head up to 76 for a high. High rain chance midday through the mid-afternoon hours with those wind gusts in the 40-mile-per-hour range. And then as we head into Friday, Saturday, much cooler and chilly for the parades in the 40s. So dress warmly going into next week. Spring-like weather returns, but spring showers also in the forecast. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.